Hey fam, welcome to my YouTube channel today. So in this video, I'll just run you guys through what my Saturday and my Sunday look like. Basically, everyone has those days when you do get up and you're not in the mood. I don't know if I should blame it on our hormones. I don't know what to blame it on. Nature, human beings, way of life. I don't know. But on this Saturday, I knew I had to get stuff done, but I wasn't in the mood. I didn't clean my house. I didn't sweep. I didn't wash the dishes. I wasn't in the mood for nada, guys. Good thing is my house wasn't so dirty. So, and as you can see from the kitchen island, it's sparkling. So that was a good thing. But I just woke up so tired and not in the mood. So all I just did was, came downstairs after the kids had eaten and played, and to be honest, I didn't feed the kids. Their grandma fed them that day because it's like she noticed that it's like this one is not all right though. So basically this is just me trying to fix myself some breakfast. I don't like the liquid milk. I do prefer my peak milk in powder form. I don't like their powdered milk here. It's just tasteless. Mostly non-dairy though. So in terms of cereal, I prefer to take the regular cornflakes because most times sugar. When people like sugar, the sugar will just overpower the whole taste of the cereal. You just not enjoy it if you're not someone that likes sugar person. Nigerians don't eat a lot of sugar, I know that. So basically this is just the normal cornflakes, nothing special, nothing too much, just have my cornflakes and then going in to make it crunchy. And if you guys did notice, I did put my water in the microwave because I love my cornflakes warm. And yeah, sitting down for me to start eating cornflakes, I started watching TV, going through my phone. I don't know what's wrong with me, guys. Not in the mood.
2 hours later.
Yeah, 2 hours later. It took me time to finish this cornflakes and I had to force myself to finish it. And then after that, I knew that these kids and my mom needed to have lunch. I can't be selfish even though I feel so lazy, So I decided to start cooking. There's already soup in the freezer, leftover soup. So just make some semolina for them to have for lunch on this day. And you guys see how I was making this semo like somebody that is about to break because I was not in the mood. I didn't have energy. My mom was like, I beg, let me make my thing by myself. She took it from me and took over because she was very hungry. I don't blame her, She and her grandkids, they have to eat. So she took care of stuff. As you guys can see, I just assisted, Basically, that's how Saturday went, guys. Nike didn't do nada. We all have days like that. Let me know in the comment section if you have days like that. It's typical, basically. And then voila, it's Sunday, guys. Monday is the next day now. I had to get myself together and tell the devil, not today, Satan, not today. Nike needs to get up and get stuff together. So as you guys can see, I've already taken a shower, given the kids a shower. They've had their breakfast. I've made a video. I don't know if I'm going to be uploading that video before this. I don't know, however way. But my package arrived. A Shein package I ordered arrived. And I was like, I think it's high time I just quickly make a whole video for you guys to see. So whichever one goes up first, you guys will see it, and if maybe you would have already seen it before you see this video. So I'm here trying to make some jollof rice, some stew, and some fried rice. I do have okra in the fridge. Man, guys, I noticed kids love draw soup. They love okra, so I always try to make sure there is stew available for them. If not only me, long team, but just because of them, I want them to have stew to be able to eat the okra with, and they prefer it white. I've never really tried the okra jollof ila lasipo. I've never really tried it for them, but this one I am very sure of. They love draw soup anyway. So that's basically it, and you can see they're always in the kitchen. That's Ariel handing me noodles to make for her. Izzy just left the kitchen. Oh, and you guys see he's handing me his own noodles, but see, Nike is not about that right now. They will be patient for one food to be ready. Alright guys, I've been talking too much. If you've been watching up to this extent, thank you so much. Please do watch to the very end. I do appreciate the love and the support. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you. You guys are the bomb. I thank so much for the love. I do appreciate you guys. I am not taking the love for granted. And if you're new here and my vlogs are relatable, please do consider hitting the like and the subscribe button, and remember to turn on your notification bell so you will be notified anytime I upload a new video. Watch till the end. See you guys later. Bye.
Driving at night, windowless ride, feeling alive. Nothing in sight, forever in flight. Follow those lines, we'll make it this time. Blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we're making tonight. Oh yeah, we'll make it tonight. Yeah. I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do.
These tomatoes specifically is for this stew. I want to make very little stew because of my kids. I really don't have to. I just want to make fried and jollof, but if it's me, I'll get tired of eating the same thing. I like to keep them solid once in a while. So my meat is ready. All I need. Guys, I thought I should show you this. See my foil paper, bah? See what my child did to it. I don't know if he thought it was toy that he was playing with it. I didn't take it lightly, but it can wound him, so I don't know why he took my foil paper to play with it. Cereal brought 3 packs for me to make for her, like she can eat all 3 packs. We very well know that this is impossible, guys. I'm not even making it for her. I'm just gonna put this in the oven real quick so it's time to roast. I don't like frying very much. It's okay. Go and play with me.
You make a video of me.
Yeah. You don't want me to make a video of you?
Yeah, make a video of me. If you make a video of you, I'll do it. What's today? Because my mom is going to check my prank play. Okay? See you there. Bye-bye.
I'm going to do what?
you're gonna play. You're going to check your friend's hair and play outside when you're chicken.
Guys, so I am done cooking. Right now I only have the jollof rice on the fire and I am exhausted. Like, I am super exhausted. I don't know if you guys saw where Ariel was crying. She and her brother, they will be playing and then they will start. Guys, you know what, I'm just tired. Look at the dishes that I have to wash here in the kitchen. See, so I'm gonna wash what I can wash, then I'll put some in the dishwasher, because these kids are going to school tomorrow and it's 7:58. Look at Ariel's hair. I need to make her hair. I want you guys see. Look at her hair, guys. Her hair is a mess. I need to make her hair. You guys see this? So I need to make her hair for school tomorrow. I don't take her out yet. I don't take her out yet to make her hair, so I always try to like pack it, make it look beautiful at home. I still have to do it this night. Ariel was crying. She cried to the extent that she said, "Mommy, I want." I said, "I want what?" And I had her say freezer. I want freezer. And Mommy was like, "Why does she want freezer?" So I said, "Open your mouth and talk." She still refused to talk. Then she pointed to the freezer. Then I knew that she wanted ice cream. Anyway, I'm giving them the ice cream. I am super exhausted. I had to make fried rice, some stew, just little stew, you know, just to have, because as I did say, they like okra soup, so I want to have stew for them, because me or my mom will make semo and keep, so once they get back from school they'll always have something to, because definitely I'm gonna be working. So we do have all that ready. I am exhausted, guys. It's not easy being a mom. I am tired. I'm really tired. So I'm just gonna go ahead now and wash the dishes I can wash. The ones I can put in the dishwasher, I'll go ahead and put them in the dishwasher.
Dirty.
The ones I can put in the dishwasher, I'll go ahead and put in the dishwasher. I'll see you guys later, okay? So guys, I am done. As you guys can see, this is my stew. So anybody that wants to have rice will just get the meat from inside the stew, and that's basically it. I'm just gonna go ahead and put this in the fridge. I've prepped for the week, so I don't expect to be cooking. My mom is gonna make semo, and then I have donuts here for snacking. Usually I always like to buy it for the kids, you know, just so when they want a snack they have something. But basically this is it, guys. Everything is ready for the week. Okay guys, so I am done cooking and giving them a shower. They're ready for bed. So right now it's time for them to go to bed. Do you guys want to say good night to everybody? Let's end it. So we just came downstairs to take their medication, so they're gonna take their medication and we're gonna go upstairs. So right now what they'll be taking is Izzy's gonna take Tylenol. He's complaining of headache. Ariel is gonna take her antibiotics, and they will take supplements. I'm exhausted, guys. Like, I'm super exhausted. Look at my dress. Like, it's so dirty and wet, and I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's stains everywhere. It's been a very busy Sunday and I go to work tomorrow, so I thought to end this vlog here, guys, and I want to say thank you for spending so much time with me today. I really do appreciate you. If my vlogs are relatable, mom vlogs, toddler vlogs, you know, please do remember to hit the like and the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you will be notified anytime I upload a video. Without wasting so much of your time, bye guys, good night, see you in my next video.